Have your students learned to learn? Or are they always looking for quick study tips? Quick fixes might get them through a quiz, but will they bring them lasting success or deep understanding? Think about it. Would quick tips make a tennis pro overnight? Or a martial arts expert? Likely not, and indeed you wouldn't look for some tips to practice tennis or martial arts, but rather take many months and try to learn mastering them properly. So why should your students settle for less when it comes to studying? Are you ready to offer them something better? Why not teach your students how to study effectively, instead of relying on quick study tips? Atlhas Tutor offers personalized learning with interactive tools and smart schedules, all integrated into a structured approach designed to build a strong foundation that endures well beyond the exam. This cohesive method offers the following benefits: deeper understanding, boosted retention, increased confidence and ability to tackle difficult materials, personalized learning pace. With these benefits, your students are empowered to take control of their studies. Not only will their study process become more streamlined and effective, but they will also effortlessly learn an efficient study method. This will teach them how to make the most of their study time. Welcome to Atlhas Tutor, where we revolutionize the way students learn. Let's guide them together on a journey of active, self-paced learning, where textbooks are transformed into a powerful, interactive learning experience. Use our long free trial period to check it by yourself. Do not waste it. Let's dig deeper. With our proven learning method, students will move beyond generic study tips and start mastering effective strategies. By actively engaging, they'll naturally excel, guided every step of the way by our tools. We use dark mode to protect their eyes. With our tools, they will study more effectively and learn more. Studying effectively isn't just about reading, it's about active engagement with study material. Highlighting or underlining isn't enough. Atlhas Tutor's note-taking feature is different. It fosters true interaction, transforms study sessions into dynamic learning experiences, and puts students in control of their understanding. Let's explore how they can make their study process more interactive. This is how the library section of Atlhas Tutor looks. Here, students will upload their PDF study material. Students will develop the habit of engaging actively by taking smart notes on their uploaded study material. These will not be common notes. They will take these smart notes in the form of questions and answers. Much like creating digital flashcards. This interactive dialogue with their material deepens comprehension and retention. They will choose a keyword to quickly recall any note. Once a smart note is created, its keyword is displayed on the right of the page. From here, students can display, edit, or delete any note. As you know, studying is not enough. Without proper review practice, what students have learnt during their study sessions will quickly fade away. This is where one of Atlhas Tutor's main features comes into play: automatic review creation and scheduling. Indeed, they will not need to go back to their book for their reviews. Instead, they'll rely on the notes they took, which will be properly scheduled for review by our platform. Scheduling will be personalized and based on the spaced repetition principle. Once logged in, students will be in their personal dashboard, where, first and foremost, they'll check for overdue reviews in the Q&A table. Reviews are grouped by uploaded document. To begin a review session, they can simply click on a title. Here they are in Atlhas Tutor's Q&A section. For review, they can answer the questions that pop up. Rather than returning to the original study material, they are relying on their notes, making reviews quicker and more effective. Do some study materials seem too complex to be tackled by students on their own? There is a solution. It's called layered learning, and it's an approach embedded in Atlhas Tutor. How does layered learning work exactly? Well, it's pretty simple. Students will read complex materials multiple times, or as we like to say in Atlhas Tutor, in multiple stages. Of course, each time they read through all the material, what changes is the focus of the notes they take during each reading. During the first reading stage, they will take smart notes only on the key milestones. During the second reading stage, they will either take new smart notes on the main concepts, or, if applicable, add these concepts to an existing smart note. At the third reading, usually the last one, they will take smart notes on details. But what is the best timing for a new reading stage? Ideally, at least 1 week later. Once the smart notes of the previous stage have already been reviewed at least twice, and are consolidating. So doing, each reading stage builds upon the last, with notes that evolve as they delve deeper, from core concepts to intricate details. This layered approach not only deepens students' understanding, but fosters a habit of lifelong learning, helping them become independent from teachers, courses, and so on. All they'll need is a good book. These were just a few of the tools available to students. Ready to dive deeper and truly understand how Atlhas Tutor can transform education? There's more we want to share with you, and we'll cover it in just a few seconds. But first, experience our learning ecosystem firsthand. Try it out during our extended free trial and see the difference for yourself. After exploring our platform, what's next for you as an educator? Join our pilot program and collaborate with us to shape the future of education by involving one or more of your classrooms today. Atlhas Tutor is here to revolutionize how students learn, helping them reach their full potential. Change requires effort, and as an educator, your guidance will be crucial in leading your students to fully embrace this innovative approach. Our tools are designed to support students, but with your collaboration, we can achieve even more. Help us enhance these tools and create new ones tailored specifically for educators. Imagine transforming the education paradigm. How much time do you spend on delivering curriculum and assessing student knowledge? Test scores reflect the end result. But what if you could monitor and enhance the learning journey itself? Together, we can create tools that provide early insights, empower educators, and guide targeted interventions to maximize success. Your feedback can drive innovation. Help us shape the future of learning and teaching. Join our pilot program today and become a pioneer in educational innovation.